Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Smoking Vipers YouTube channel. Today is a huge day. We have new wheels and tires for the car, and then we can finally get this body kit mounted on this thing. We're gonna fire it up, pull it out.
Already, you're going from 18 by 9 plus 35 to 17 by 9 plus 38, but we're also going to throw in 10 millimeter spacer just to kind of make up the gap difference from this center to that one for the bike. So stay tuned, like, comments, see more. The other thing I might be able to do is I got coffee with 10. Might be able to do an inch and a half of this. Just swap in these with cash for an inch and a half.
Yeah.
I have a couple rolls of tape. Alrighty, guys. Now that we have the rims in, we can fully mount this kit. So that's what we'll be pretty much doing today. Tomorrow's video, though, we'll be dealing with the hood. We have a whole new layer of carbon. We're gonna redo the hood in, and yeah, it should be a good time. Yeah. bit of camber. It's actually not too bad. Yeah.
Just to give it a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's still a 10 mil.
Yeah. I agree.
10 mil for the fitment. I wonder if it'll start back up. Maybe I gotta go. No.
What's up for? Cookies.
Grab the tripod. I'm just gonna leave this one until we get that bumper exactly where we want it. It's here. Alright. This is the big one. Which one's bigger? This is the big one. Sorry, new quarters. Don't hate me too much. Be very careful when we're drilling fiber. happy chap. There we go. Flare is mounted. Now we're gonna leave the back one off until we get the bumper fully set. But we're gonna move on to the other side now. We're still running into a little bit of issues on the front, but we're gonna rectify that today. Cut it and re-fiberglass. That's the only thing we can do. So, stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, guys. As you can see here, we are gonna be fighting this back little side here. I think something is different with the alignment from the front and the other side. So as you can see, we're just getting the general layout of the fender flare. Throughout this next little bit, you're going to see us walking to and from, trying to get the alignment exactly correct in correlation with the driver's side. So yeah, we're just trying to figure out the placement at this point. It's looking like the flare is a little too far forward. So we're working on the rotation. With a flare like this, there's no real indentations to go by or centering guides. You just kind of got to do it by eye as much as possible. I did notice during this clip we were trying to measure from the front here to the back center, just to try to get everything centered up. But it looks like upon measuring, the ABW made the kit so the front holes are different widths on the flare wherever they are. So measuring from the front points of a reference point is next to impossible for us, like you can see here. So I did just kind of end up going by eye of what I saw fit that was centered kind of in the wheel well. All in all, it turned out good. I'm really happy with the outcome. Unfortunately, the clip did end. My phone died pretty well close to the end of this, so I will do my best to cut in a clip from the next day before we got started on the hood. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe down below to see more of the 2.5 RS build. Thanks, guys.